Greetings from Team Keep Learning. In this video, we will see one example on partitions to understand how exactly partitions are being calculated. So now we will start. So the example goes like this. Compute the lower and upper quartiles, 4th decile and 78th percentile for the following distribution. In this, one group is given marks group 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and these are the number of students who have obtained that marks. And similarly, this distribution is given up to 40 to 45. Now we'll start the solution. So first what we have to do is that we have to make one cumulative frequency table as we did in the median and model class. So 5 to 10, 5 students, then 5 plus 6, it is 11, then 11 plus 15, it is 26, then 26 plus 10, it is 36, and then 36 plus 5, it is 41, 41 plus 4, 45, and so on up to 49. So this is our cumulative frequency table, and now one by one we will solve the example. So this is the frequency table which we have prepared, and now one by one we will start. So if you want to calculate Q1, first we have to see the quartile class. So here n is 49, number of data is 49, as you can see the total n is 49. So for when we are calculating Q1, we have to do the n by 4 of the data, that is 49 by 4, and 49 by 4 is 12.25. 49 by 4 is 12.25. So now we have to observe where 12.25 would be falling. So it is greater than 11 but less than 26. So our quartile 1 class is 15 to 20. Our quartile 1 class is 15 to 20. So which clearly lies in 15 to 20. Thus 15 to 20 is a lower quartile class. So in this case L is 15, that is lower limit of the quartile class. This is 15. Cumulative frequency is 11. As you can see, one class before the quartile class. F is 15, that is frequency of that class itself, and I is 20 minus 5, that is the interval between the classes. So now we will apply the formula. Q1 is L plus n by 4 minus Cf upon F into I. Now we know everything. L is 15, n by 4 is 12.25, this minus 11 divided by 15 into 5. Our F is 15. So my Q1 is 15.417. My quartile 1 Q1 is 15.417. Now we will see quartile 3 Q3. So in that case also again we have to see the quartile 3 class, but this time we will do 3 by 4 n of the data. Why? Because we are measuring quartile 3. So 3 by 4 into 49 is 36.75. 36.75. So 36.75 is clearly lies in 25 to 30 range. Why? Because 36.75, 0.75 it is adding more, so it is greater than 36 but less than 41. So our Q3 class is this. Q3 class is this. So L is 25, cumulative frequency is 36, F is 5, and I is again 5. So now we will put all this formula in the Q3, all these values in the formula. L plus 3 by 4 n minus Cf upon F into I. L is 25. This is 36.75 minus 36 upon 5 into 5. 25 plus 0.75. So our Q3 is 25.75. Now I want you to observe one thing. Our quartile 1 was 15.417, which means that in this data series 25% of the data is less than 15.471 and 75% is more than that, which is quite rightly so. If you observe it, you can very well see. And in this example Q3 is 25.75, which says that 75% of the data is less than 25.75 and 25% is more than this, which you very well can observe. Now we will see decile. We have to compute the fourth decile. So now since we are calculating fourth decile, we have to do the 4 by 10 of the data. 4 by 10 of the data. 4 by 10 into 49, which is 19.6, which clearly lies in the class 15 to 20. So here L is equals to 15, lower limit of the class, cumulative frequency is 11, F is 15 and I is 5. Why? It is lying in the 15 to 20 class, this one. And cumulative frequency is 11, which is the frequency of a class, one class before the decile 4 class. F is 15 and I is 5, that is this. So our decile 4 is L plus 4 by 10 N minus CF upon F into I. By mistake it is written L, but it is I. It is I. So 15 plus 19.6 minus 11 upon 15 into 5. 15 plus 2.87 is equals to 17.87. So our decile fourth is 17.87. And now we will see one example of calculating percentile. And since we have to calculate P70, now what we will do? We will do 70n by 100. That means we will calculate the 17th percentile class by multiplying our number of data into 70 by 100. So 70 by 100 into 49 is 34.3. 34.3 means it is greater than 26 but less than 36. So our P70 class will be this, which clearly lies in 20 to 25. It is 20 to 25. Here L is 20, lower limit of the class. CF is 26, cumulative frequency one class before the percentile 70 class. Frequency of that class itself is 10 and I is 5. So here P70 equal to L plus 70 by 100 into N minus CF upon F into I. So 20 plus 34.3 minus 26 upon 10 into 5, 20 plus 4.15, which is 24.15. P70 is 24.15. So I hope calculating all these parameters are now clear to you. I request you to go through this video again so that you will be able to clearly grasp how these values are calculated. If you have any doubt, if you have any feedback or any suggestion, you may please send mail on this given mail ID, or you can give your feedback or comments in the comment box below. Thank you.